Johnny Depp has just concluded testifying against Amber Heard in his $50 million defamation suit against his ex-wife. The trial is making for gripping TV, with unbelievable details, including allegations that Jason Momoa, her Aquaman co-star, was expected to be in Amber Heard's corner until Jason started following Johnny Depp on his Instagram after the defamation trial. Before the defamation trial began, Jason had only been following Amber Heard, with whom he'd worked with since the first DC's Aquaman in 2018. In fans' views, this is a clear indication that Jason Momoa supports Johnny Depp in his quest for justice. So, how did it go wrong, and when did it all begin? Let's find out! Kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to keep in touch with our latest news. Johnny Depp met Amber Heard in 2012 when they were filming The Rum Diary. After a brief whirlwind romance, they got married in early 2015. The marriage only lasted 15 months before everything crumbled down for Johnny Depp. Amber Heard filed for divorce in 2016 amid claims of domestic violence and drug abuse from her now ex, Johnny Depp. While he may not have known it at the time, his life and career changed for the worst. On December 18, 2018, Amber Heard published an opinion piece in the Washington Post about surviving domestic abuse. While she never mentioned Johnny Depp directly in the opinion editorial, Johnny Depp claims that the article got him fired from his role in the Pirates of the Caribbean. It's damaged his reputation and his acting career. Johnny claims that he'd heard rumors, but the studio was unwilling to work with him. The studio executives were wary of working with Depp after about 2 years of constant alcohol, drug, and domestic violence allegations. The studio asked him to resign following his loss in the case against the Sun newspaper that had labeled him a wife-beater. When testifying in court, Johnny said that the studio wanted to cut ties with him to protect itself. After an altercation on Amber's 30th birthday, where he was late, Amber and Johnny got into a fight. He explained that he had a meeting with his financial advisors and accountants, and that considerable sum of money was missing. But Amber, feeling slighted, had attacked Depp physically before he left. Depp had planned to get his belongings out of the apartment the following day, when he believed that Heard would be out attending Coachella with friends, and he called his security to help him move. At this moment, the bodyguard showed him the images of the fecal matter in his bed. Yikes! Depp continued to say, "It was a photograph of the bed," Depp said, "and on my side of the bed was human fecal matter. My initial response to that was, I laughed," Depp testified, describing the reaction to seeing the photo of the feces. "It was so outside. It was so bizarre and grotesque that I could only laugh." While Johnny Depp believed that Amber or one of her friends left him the gift, she denied it and blamed it on her 2 teacup Yorkies, tiny dogs, that they keep as pets. Depp was having none of it and testified in court, "I lived with those dogs. I picked up their funk. It was not the dogs." One of their security personnel testified in a back-and-forth conversation in court. "We had a conversation that evening about the surprise she left on the boss's bed before leaving the apartment," said the bodyguard. The lawyer asked, "And when you refer to this surprise in the boss's bed, what are you referring to?" "The defecation," answered the bodyguard. The lawyer went on to ask, "And what did Miss Heard say about the defecation on Mr. Depp's bed?" The bodyguard replied, "A horrible practical joke gone wrong." After that revelation in court, the hashtags #MePoo and #AmberTurd were trending on social media, and some fans had this to say. "These audio recordings of #AmberTurd give me chills. She's a manipulative narcissist on the highest level. And notice how Johnny doesn't raise his voice, not once. #Justice for Johnny Depp." Other followers reacted with comments like, #AmberTurd is becoming hated worldwide as the trial goes on. People are turning against her. There's no going back. She's done. Another Twitter user went on to say, "Johnny Depp will get his life back on track. He'll come out stronger at the end of this. The truth is out there. Truth wins." This surprise gift is the second time we hear of a famous Hollywood actor leaving their former beau that kind of surprise. Tiffany Haddish also confessed to leaving one for her ex, and we laughed. As a comedian, we thought she was kidding until she explained it in great detail. Let me not gross you out, but is this a thing now? Let us know in the comments section. As part of Depp's evidence in court, an audio tape was introduced. In one excerpt, Heard is telling Johnny, "Tell the world, Johnny. Tell them I, Johnny Depp, a man, am a victim too of domestic violence." Depp's lawyer, Camila Vasquez, proceeded to ask Depp if he was the victim of domestic violence, to which Depp responded, "Yes, I am." In this third decade in Hollywood, Depp's popularity as an A-list star and bankability has significantly fallen. The never-ending legal challenges following negative on-set behavior and crisis in his personal life, including this latest statement of his legal drama, revealed troublesome details. Some are drug use with Marilyn Manson and death threats against Amber Heard. When asked by a lawyer in court about his losses, this is what he had to say. "The allegation that I'm a drunken, cocaine-fueled menace who beat women have cost him everything." He went on to say that it never had to happen, and I don't quite understand why it happened in the way that it did. By this point, studio executives may have already chosen to drop Johnny. This perception can explain why Stuart Beattie, who's the original writer of the Pirates of the Caribbean, when asked about rumors that Disney would be removing the Captain Jack Sparrow character from future movies, had this to say: "I think he's on a great run." Depp himself was not oblivious to the signs of times to come and wasn't entirely surprised in court. While giving his testimony, he said, "2 years have gone by of constant worldwide talk about me being a wife beater." He went on to say, "I'm sure that Disney tried to cut ties to be safe. The #MeToo movement was in full swing at that point." Depp felt his career was done when Amber made the allegations. "Once that happened, I lost then, no matter the outcome of this trial." He went on to say, "I'll carry that for the rest of my days. I'm suing Amber over defamation and the various falsities that Amber used to bring my life to an end." A pained Johnny, who was hurt by the betrayal of Disney to axe him, continued his testimony to say, "They didn't remove my character from the rides. They didn't stop selling dolls of Captain Jack Sparrow. They didn't stop selling anything. They didn't want there to be something trailing behind me that they'd find." Asked if he would like to return to Disney for the Pirates of the Caribbean film, he confirmed that he wasn't interested in reprising his role. Disney had thought it wise to fire him due to the accusations leveled against Depp, but saw it fit to keep making money off merchandise, theme park rides, and other revenue streams attributed to Depp's characters in the films he featured. In a world where budgets for films run into hundreds of millions of dollars, film studios may be wary of including Johnny Depp in future film projects, as he may still be viewed as a risky investment. There are other stars with much less baggage, and as things stand, he's nowhere near his peak. Fans still rallied for his current performance in the Oscars for his film Minamata, where he came in third for the nomination in a new category, Fan Favorite Best Film. This support of Depp is quite impressive, given that the studio had given it a lukewarm reception, anticipating a flop due to the drama surrounding its star Johnny. The film director had accused the studio of sabotaging after Depp's fall from grace. More celebrities have been sucked in, including Elon Musk, the tech billionaire who's alleged to have had a brief relationship with Amber Heard around Amber's marital woes with Depp. Elon Musk was also said to visit the house on several occasions by security personnel. Musk denied the allegations of having an affair and said they were only friends. In video footage shown in court, Amber and Elon Musk are seen in an elevator, heading to a penthouse where Amber and Johnny lived. At the time, Depp claimed they'd only been married for 1 month when that affair began. Ouch. Another Hollywood fixture mentioned in this is James Franco. At this point, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's careers seem to have been damaged irreparably. Do you think they'll recover? Let us know in the comments section below.